So today let's take a look at a beautiful 3,700 square foot home in West Nashville. This home is a great example of what it's like to live in the Charlotte Park area, and it's priced right at $1,375,000. Now let's start out with a tour of the home, and then we'll take a drive around the Hill Circle neighborhood. After the tour, let's get a Google map to locate shopping in the area, as well as commute times to hot spots in town. So let's get started. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to get our weekly updates about Nashville, Tennessee living, we recommend you hit that subscribe button. Our goal is to be your weekly boots on the ground and provide you video every single week so you can get to know all about homes, neighborhoods, subdivisions. Now we get calls every day from people just like you making the move to Nashville, and we would love to help you find a perfect fit. So if you're looking to move in 30 days or 90 days, just pick up your phone, call, text, or email today so we can get to work right away. Our team will be happy to help you make a smooth move to Nashville.
Okay, so we'll start at the front of the house. You can see the deck. There's lots of privacy off this front deck, and this is in the winter. This is in February. We're going to walk through the front door. One of the great things about this house is it's really open. You've got a really nice fireplace there with great hardwood floors. You've got granite countertops. You've got stainless steel appliances. Really nice place. Lots of ambient light on this front room. This is coming in through the back door, coming back into the kitchen. I'm going to take a walk up to the second level. There's a spiral staircase going up to the very top room with lots of light there. This is the primary bedroom, screened-in back porch. Got a beautiful tub and shower tile area here. We're getting ready to go into the huge master closet. Coming out of the primary bedroom, we've got a back deck with lots of room back here and lots of privacy again. This is on the second level, guest bathroom. This is going into the very top level with windows all the way around, lots and lots of light, really cool space up there. And this again finishes with the front of the house. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at 6120 Hill Circle in Nashville. And let's just take a look at the map. So I'm going to be looking in this direction. I've got a big screen in front of me, so I won't be looking directly at you, so don't get confused. So anyway, if we're on here and we see the downtown Nashville where I circled this, it's right above my picture here, we're going to take Interstate 40 out of town and we're going to head out towards what's called the Nations, Sylvan Heights and Sylvan Park, which are very popular neighborhoods right now in the up-and-coming Charlotte Avenue area. So Charlotte Avenue is another, it parallels I-40 coming out of downtown Nashville and comes right here, so it's Highway 70. These intersect at a big intersection right here. So White Bridge Road is this road coming down through here, and there's a ton of retail there. Including Charlotte Avenue, and Charlotte Avenue is one of those where they're talking, you know, it's an up-and-coming area of town where you're seeing a lot of new restaurants, a lot of new renovations from a retail standpoint. And then as we get down here, we're going to find this red marker, and that's going to show you the proximity of that house to literally everything. You've got West End, which you've got Vanderbilt University, which has the hospital, and all the hospital district is in this area. You've got all the downtown arts district, the Gulch as an example, Pie Town. You've got the East Bank, East Nashville. You're literally within 20 minutes of all of these things, so it's a really good location. Let's take a look just a little closer at our location. So as we zoom in, we're going to see Charlotte Pike here, and you're going to see on the Google Maps, I mean, it's loaded with all kinds of retail and businesses all along the way. And what they did here is they extended this road and made this hill circle. So it's one big circle up here on top of a hill. And as you get to the top of this hill, you're going to find the residence right here where the dot is at 6120 Hill Circle Drive. I'll also add the footage here at the end of this, where I will basically drive around this circle so you can see all the new building that's happening here. They're all $1 million homes, and they all sit on the hill. This one actually has all of this area here where there's nothing there but trees and forest. So you've got a lot of ground cover here on the front of the house. Okay, so let's take a quick drive around the neighborhood. We're heading out from the front of the house. You can see there's some new construction here. A lot of similar architecture. Some of it's very modern. Still lots of space to build. You can see most of them are 2 or 3 levels. Here's the house coming up on it. Still some good open space if you want to build something. Now we're coming up on, headed down towards Charlotte Avenue. So this is the entrance.
If you found this video helpful, please take a minute to comment and like it. You can help us reach more people with your help. And remember, if you're looking to move in 30 days or 90 days, pick up your phone, call, text, or email today, and we're going to get to work right away. I appreciate your time. Thanks again for watching.